All, this is Dr. Anil. Now today I came for another very important free SCI journals. The name of journal is Analog Integrated Circuit and Signal Processing. So if you belongs to the ECE, and especially if you belong to the like VLSI circuit design, or suppose, so if your research article belongs to the radio frequencies, mixed signal integrated circuit or signal processing circuit, right? So here you can target these particular journals. So these journals you can cover if you are having the research advancement in the field of analog and mixed signal circuit, analog and RFIC design, data converter, active RC filters, wireless radio transceiver, analog artificial neural networks, high speed optoelectronic circuit, cyber physical systems, analog VLSI cell libraries, all these important areas are there. You can scopes are there. If you want to apply, you can apply. So this is the hybrid journal, means here it is also accepted the open access, and it is also accepted the subscription based, that is free journals, right? So if you want to submit, you can click the submit your manuscript. Once you submit the manuscripts, right, here you can see, once you click, it will opens, and you need to create the account. And for this particular journals, you need to separately upload the manuscript file. You have to separately upload the figures, tables, everything, and any supplementary files. You need to give the details of title of the paper, research paper, abstracts, and you need to form the cover letters. So here there is an importance of cover letter. You need to frame for some before submitting this journal, right? Then you need to decide the which author is the author affiliation. If any funding details, you can give the fundings, and you have to give the informations about the authors and their email address, right? And you have to choose which author is the correspondence author. If you want, you can add the more author also. At the end, you need to give the declarations, right? So they are asking the permissions. If you wish to publish via immediate gold open access, you will agree to pay the article processing charge. But if you publish via subscription publish route, you will get agreed that journal licensing terms and stringent natures. So this is the for free publication. So you have to click OK and submit it, and you have to give your competing interest policies, right? You have to click all OK. You have to declare. You have to give the declarations, right? So all these things you need to click and give your then authorship you need to declare, right? If any third party figures are image, then also you need to give the details, right? So no, all the material is owned, right? Then data availabilities, here you can give yes or no, right? If your research is having data, you can give data yes, or else no need. And agree acknowledgement, this is the final step for submission. Once you want to declare all these things, you need to check everything is there or not, and once it is there, you can finally submit your manuscripts. Once it is submitted, it will take around 130 days for taking the first decisions in these particular journals, and this journal is free of cost. So, and here you can see the guidelines. You can see the submission guidelines before submitting the articles, right? What you required, which type of journals, which type of articles you are writing, right? Manuscription, then what should be the title page, how, what is the size of text, what is the size of reference, all these things they have clearly mentions. Moreover, the important thing is the size of uh, like you have to give the authorship. Moreover, here the important thing is that you need to like uh, check the tables, your data, figures, all figure must be 1200 dpi, everything's all this detail is given, right? So please follow the rules, and you need to require archive id 16 digit before submitting the articles. So please follow the rules before submitting the journals. So hope you like these particular informations. If you like my informations, please like